and I was wearing this underneath my jeans. My jeans got all ripped, and as you can see, this thing got pretty messed up. My gloves, my once beautiful gloves. I mean, I just got these gloves too, and that's pretty much done. This one, pretty much done. I don't think I hit my head, so my helmet seems okay, which is a good thing. But my bike wasn't so lucky, so I got this light, got scuffed, damage here. This thing I just got fucked up already. This got fucked up. This thing is fucked up. This thing's messed up. This thing that was already messed up is messed up even worse, which I got a replacement for this. Oh, those are parrots. So this shift lever peg broke off. So I put it to like 4th gear, and I just drove it home on 4th gear. This thing I just installed broke. All this plastic stuff gotta be replaced. It's not, I mean, this stuff is cheap. It's not a big deal. I can replace all this. I mean, probably doesn't even need to be replaced. I just gotta Bondo it and paint it probably, and it'll be fine. Whatever, I'll work with it. This thing bent. I could bend that back. So let's see what's the real damage here. Ooh, does it have damage? No. Nothing major. Ooh, I got scuff on my tank. Ooh, scuff right there, scuff right there. But those are scratches from rocks. This thing got busted. I gotta replace this. Okay. That's about it. I mean, overall, it could have been much worse. I was running into a curve pretty fast, and you know how as you get towards the end of the curve, you're already on the outer edge. So I was on the outer edge because I was going so fast, and there was gravel on that edge, all along that edge. I didn't see the gravel, and my bike just slid in that gravel. And it was tough. I was going too fast. I shouldn't have gone on that fast. I'll play the video of generally how I was riding right before I fell. But I think my camera was off when I fell, which kind of sucked. Which I should have kept my camera on. That would have been good footage. But this handlebar, when the bike fell, got kinked, kind of like what happened with my previous bike. Only this bracket, this mount, it got damaged, so I had to replace this, maybe even some of the bolts. Hopefully I could do what I did with my previous bike and kink it back in place. So we'll see. So this thing here, you could tell, got bent. This whole handlebar is misaligned. I had to ride it back in a really funked way. So I'm gonna unbolt all this. And this I bought a replacement. Hopefully I could tune it back manually. We'll see. I just undid this and I turned these back into place. So these move pretty easily like I anticipated. Like my older previous bike. So this looks pretty good visually. So I'm gonna try to bolt it back now. Here's a new one. Yeah, that looks a lot better. Putting the original nuts back in. Just like that. Oh, it's right there. Let's tighten that guy up. Here's the one that got damaged. You can tell this thing just got kinked out of shape. Let's see. It looks pretty good. It feels right. Okay. Feels good. Should be a shroud assembly. Nope, that's not it. That's not it. That's not it. This looks promising. Yep, that's here. This goes through that. Okay, this goes through the keyhole. This goes up here, like that. Okay, that makes sense. Something should snap down here. Like that. There we go. Perfect. This guy kind of slips into this. There, like that. Perfect. There we go. There we go, like that. There, that part's done. Okay. So yeah, I didn't really film the process of me like painting this stuff, but I figure you know I guess it was a chance for me to make my bike a little bit more custom looking, since I had, you know, pretty much had to change a lot of body panels out, and so I decided to go with this like kind of copper color. I mean, I like it. I'm happy with it. I think it looks a lot better than the stock look. It kind of comes together. Yeah, so I got this little samurai thing. It's windshield. I'm gonna put some different decals. I got these mirrors here. Swapped out this guy. Yep, got my new rear set back on. Put this piece back in. I had to seal it up here with a copper sealant and no leaks, which is good. I put this frame slider in. I find that I removed this pillion seat and I put in this seat cowl, which eliminated the need for this rear pillion foot pegs. But I find that the foot pegs were like frame sliders, and they kind of prevent damage, because without them I really damaged my bike. The body work just got crushed. As far as the decals, I thought, you know, these are like reflective sticker. And it's kind of cool. I liked it, so I put it in there. And put in Mugen sticker instead of the Honda. I mean, Mugen is Honda, kind of indirectly. So I don't know. I was just playing with that. Yeah. What do you guys think? From what I had before, I would like to hear your comments. Anyway, I hope you guys like it. Yeah, I'm fully recovered now. I mean, I did feel a little sore when I fell, and I mean, the truth is, you know, it was my ego that made me crash. I was trying to keep up with this guy, man. This guy was like 75 years old, and he was riding this 450cc enduro bike, and that guy was good. Like, I could not like overtake this guy, and I was like, no, I'm not gonna let this guy beat me. And I was trying to overtake him, and I just took a turn too fast and spilled in a canyon. So, word of advice, I always say these to people when I'm on a group ride: don't try to keep up with other people. You know, just ride your own ride. You know, stay at your own pace, even if you're gonna be passed up by everyone else. It's okay. It's better to do that than to go down. So, this is David signing out.